Driving with a foggy film on the inside of your windshield can be very annoying and even dangerous. It makes the glass look cloudy and reduces your visibility. Luckily, here are some different ways you can use to clean the inside of your windshield. Dish soap removes the greasy foggy layer from the windshield. It makes the glass clear and easy to see through. Firstly, clean the windshield with a microfiber cloth to remove all the dirt and grime. Then, place some microfiber cloths on the dashboard so you don't get liquid splatters on the surface. Next, add some liquid dish soap to a bucket of warm water and take a windshield cleaning tool. Remove the bonnet of the tool and soak it in the soapy water. Wring out the excess water and put it back on the head. After that, clean the windshield with this tool. Scrub the windshield well and make sure to cover the entire surface properly. Finally, use a squeegee to remove the solution from the windshield. This will give you amazing results with a clean, clear windshield. For very tough foggy film that doesn't come off easily, you can use a magic eraser sponge. Wet the sponge lightly and gently rub it across the glass. This type of sponge works like very fine sandpaper and lifts off dirt and grease. Be gentle so you don't scratch the glass, and wipe the area with a clean damp cloth afterward. Vinegar helps break down greasy films and leaves the glass looking clearer. Scrub the windshield with a solution of vinegar and dish soap. This mixture helps break down greasy film and dirt easily. After that, clean it with a squeegee to remove the solution. It leaves the glass shiny and clear without streaks. Make sure to wipe it again with a dry cloth to remove any vinegar smell. This will give you outstanding results with a fog-free windshield. The most common and easy way is to use a regular glass cleaner. Spray the cleaner directly onto the glass and scrub it with steel wool. Make sure to properly scrub the whole windshield. Use a squeegee to clean the windshield thoroughly. This method quickly removes foggy film and leaves the glass clear. You can also use an anti-fog solution to remove the foggy film from the inside of your windshield. It not only clears the glass, but also helps prevent future fogging. This makes driving safer and keeps your view crystal clear. To keep your windshield clear, make cleaning it a regular habit. Wipe it down once a week with a dry microfiber cloth, even if it doesn't look dirty. This prevents film from building up again and keeps your view clear every time you drive. With just a little effort, you can make your windshield crystal clear and enjoy safer, more comfortable driving.